Hello and welcome to FX Market Strategy. So we're looking at the US oil 1 hour time frame. What we can see right here, a double top. You guys can notice this one very clear right there. See this? I talked about this BIM bar yesterday, and you start building some short positions right here. The price did try to make a rally to test this 83 level, but actually it failed and start bouncing back, giving us a beautiful lower highs right here. So if you highlight this high and that one, and you just get a line like this, then it starts making you a channel down right here. This beautiful one, okay? And you can see the price did drop quite a bit in this one. Guys, so we're looking at short position right from here to this 79. So we're talking about 300 points, which is $3 per barrel. It's not too much for the volatility the US oil has been having lately, okay? Please, if you have any question about any other chart would like to talk about, just write it in the live chat and we can switch to it. I would want to spend too much time in the oil. If you look at the bigger picture right here, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see this BIM bar right here we talked about last night. You can see the price and see the volatility huge. See how this bar look like? I'm just going to move this one a little bit. See how this looks like uncertainty in the market. Usually when we see this, we get a reversal. Okay, we get a reversal. Okay, guys. So I'm hoping we get this rally to the downside right here, and we have a nice sell position all the way down to here. Okay, so hopefully, and I think we're gonna continue further down. But let's take it step by step. So this is the direction we are looking at right now. This sell. Okay, guys. On the other hand, if we look at the USD CAD, we can start seeing a reversal positions right here. Beautiful. Okay, so we can start actually building some long positions in the USD CAD right here. Okay, where the target should be? I think the USD CAD is gonna have a really nice fall, nice rise, you guys. Okay, we can be going back up to 1.27. We may be having a 400 points run here. Okay, so we may have this beautiful run in the USD CAD. So that's another position we can be thinking about. Okay. One of the things that I think is going to fall hard also is Canadian Japanese yen. This is just about to fall. See how when you get this, it's just a matter of time before it falls. See this? Right now it's trading. Let's move this candle time. See guys, if you want to close this one, it's from here, from scales, count down to bar, you take this off, okay? You can get this one. Okay, so it's trading at 92.36. I think we're gonna have a nice fall to the downside from here. We discussed the gold previously. Okay, so we highlighted this a while ago. We highlighted this level right here, and we said if it's gonna go up, option 1 to bounce back down, and that's what happened. Option 2 is gonna break to the upside, and you guys in the comments, many of you recommended option 1, and that's what happened actually. Okay, what we can see this is gonna hold and it's gonna break to the upside. So basically, we can shift this a little bit to here. Okay, and we can make this a little bit wider right here. Okay, so basically we have, it's still like a head and shoulder, but this one is equal to the head. Okay, so we're still bullish in the gold. So I think the gold is going to continue to the upside, especially above 17 80 is a very strong level, and you can see this 1700 was very strong. It did bounce 1, 2, 3 times. So I think we're gonna see a strong rise in the gold, especially I think the yields are gonna fall. Okay, so the yields are up today, but I think they're gonna fall again. Okay, I think it's just a correction, and we're gonna get back down. So my forecast, I can see this going down and the gold is going back up. Okay. This is the euro dollar forecast we discussed when we were doing the educational for the harmonic. If you guys haven't seen this, it was a really nice one. It's in the streams. You can check it out in the profile. Okay. So basically what this is, we have an ABCD. So the price will come from the top right here, okay, all the way down to B. Then it did make a correction to C, which was 40%. Then it did fall again right here. And this fall, CD is equal 101.62 of AB. So CD equal 1.62 of BC. And that's beautiful harmonic pattern. So what we highlighted is we said we may get a correction up to here and we start bouncing back down. And you see, I think that's what's happening right now. It did just touch it and start falling. Let's see what's going to happen, if it's going to continue up and come back down, or what's going to happen. But so far, it's going according to the plan. Okay, guys. So first, Mr. Muhammad Hamid is asking about the Australian USD. See, guys, that's one of the harmonic. This could have finished all the way down to here, but what happened, it did terminate before this one. Okay, and you can see it was a very strong bullish momentum to the upside. So basically, to understand how the Australian USD is going to move, what you need to do is check the VIX. Okay, guys. So we go compare and we click the VIX indicator, and let's put in a new band. So basically, the VIX indicator is the fear indicator, okay? And you can see the relationship between the VIX and the Australian USD. So as VIX is the fear, right? And the Australian, let's type it right here so it will be clear. So AUD is risk currency. It's a beta currency. It's commodity. Right? What does this mean? When the market and risk on, so means investors are taking risk. Okay, so the stock market is up, so AUD is up. Okay, when the market is risk on, the VIX is down. I'll type it here. Okay, let's put it in red. And that's what's happening right here, guys. Okay. I hope this makes sense. I just don't want to give you something up or down without explanation. This doesn't make much sense to me. So basically, if you look at the VIX right here, as the VIX fear in the market start falling, okay, I'm falling. See that? What happened to the Australian? So this is going down. Okay. What happened to the Australian right here is going up. Okay. So before actually thinking what's going to happen to Australia, and we need to do an analysis in the VIX, because that's going to determine everything in the market. So basically the VIX right here is very close to reach the 15 level. Watch down here. This 15 level has been a support for multiple times. Let's make this bigger. So right here, this one time here. Here it did go a little bit lower. 2 times. Okay, very close to it. And it's just about to reach it, guys. What does this mean is there's a bigger chance we are going to have a strong correction in the market within a couple weeks maximum. Okay, So this is a big chance. So let's say where this one it did reach 1460. So the first support here, okay, at 1530, the second one at 1460. So we can see a fall in the stock market very close. If this is going to happen, we're going to see the Nasdaq get down, Australian USD of course is going to be down, and Dow Jones is down. But I think we still have one more week to go. One more week. So by the end of this week or next week, we can see the Australian USD start falling. Okay, guys, I hope this makes sense. And also, if you look at this trend line here, it just, see, it needs a little bit, one more week, possibly one more week. So very close, maybe 50 more bips or something, and we can start seeing this coming down. Okay. And if it comes down, I think possibly what we can see is this scenario. We can see a move up here, a small up, then sharp fall down right here to this level. Okay. Possibly we're going to get something close to this one. Right here. Okay. Just gonna close this one right here, so make the screen bigger. Okay. So that's what we can see happening. It doesn't have to reach all the way here. It may go from 74, 90, you know, this level. Then we can see a reverse at this area. Okay. I hope this has answered your question, Mr. Muhammad Hamid. Gold. The second one is gold. We discussed the gold already. So basically, what we can see right here, this 1780 is a very strong level. Okay. And you have this almost around bottom right here. If you look at this as a round bottom, it makes sense that we have some kind of support right here. Right here. Okay. So you have a support here, a support there, a support there, very close here, a support here. Okay. So this round bottom is usually a reversal pattern. And some people may call this Adam and Eve, and I don't like this. So basically, when they have this, okay, and they have this, they call it Adam and Eve. So basically, you have a pin bar here, and you have a round bottom here, and this is the reversal pattern also. And you have a higher low as well, technically. Okay, so basically, you're bullish in a good trend, still ranging between the 1700 and 1830 as a bigger picture. Okay, your main support right here at 1730 and your resistance at 1830. Okay, 1780 is your reference point at the meantime. Okay, so I think we can see a continuation to the upside. Gold has been trying all this time to break above 1780. It did happen once right here in the October 13th, but it did come back to a lower price right here. And let's say, I think we're going to continue on break to the upside. The dollar index, I think, is going to be going up, but the problem is the yields are going to come down. If the yields are going to come down, the gold is going to be ranging to the upside. Okay. Also, guys, watch out the ECB news and the Fed's news. You know, as they move to reduce money supply, I think the gold is going to go up. Okay, so as they do tapering, hey, so Nasdaq. So I hope this answered Mr. Mendy question. Mr. Alush here. Sorry, guys, if there is a female and they say Mr. or something, just the names sometimes are not very clear from different culture. So gold, I think, is a buy, I think, to the upside. Okay. But guys, always use a nice risk management. Okay, don't use too much risk. Risk management, 1 to 3% per trade is good. Don't go more than that. So you can survive to fight another day. So Nasdaq, so we discussed this. Okay. How we can open the Nasdaq. Okay. The same thing happened here, guys. As you can see from here, see what I do. This is just an opposite of the Nasdaq. Nasdaq inverted, okay? So basically, I just clicked Alt-I. Guys, so basically what I did, I clicked Alt plus I, so invert the chart. So basically, the Nasdaq now is just to look like the VIX, okay? Does this make sense, guys? Look at here. Look at the correlationship. See the price right here, and look the VIX. Okay, that's the VIX, the fear index, and that's the Nasdaq right here. As the VIX starts going down, also the Nasdaq is going right here inverted. Okay, so basically we have this as going down, but in reality it was going up. Okay, as the VIX here start rising, what happened to the Nasdaq and go in the same direction? Okay, then another one, then going back up, then another one. Okay, what's happening now? The VIX is going down, and Nasdaq. Okay, if we switch this back, okay, you guys got the point. So I'm gonna come Alt I. Okay, so switch this back now. What we have is Nasdaq is going up. Very clear. But the problem is this VIX is just about to reverse. Okay, I think this is just going to reverse either this week or next week. Okay, and that's what's going to happen is it's going to bring the Nasdaq down. Okay, I hope this makes sense. So Nasdaq, I think, is just going to have a correction very, very soon. The levels you need to watch right here. You have this level right here. I'm just going to remove everything right here. So I'm going to close this one. Okay, how can you trade this one? If the price will continue going up to this area, somewhere here, either here or there, it doesn't matter, but around the 15,500 area, okay? And from here, we start to get in the right price action to the downside, either double top, a bearish engulfing, strong pin bar, buy pattern, double top, triple top, head and shoulder, whatever pattern you have, whatever price action, okay, or candlestick pattern, or a lower high, very clear lower high. Then you come down, then you break this low. See this low right here? You break it. Once you break this one, that's an area when you take a really nice sell trade right here. Okay, guys, right there, you take this sell. Okay. After we highlighted the scenario we're looking to have right here. And also, if you're using Heikin-Ashi candles, wait for the first red or black candle to the downside. See right here is still bullish, I'm using the Heikin-Ashi candles, guys, in the 4-hour time frame. Just everything is clear. You see the correction, you see the downtrend, okay? Just a little bit of filter here, okay? So we are waiting for this level. Once you get there, if you can see really two nice Heikin-Ashi candles after each other like this, I think that will be a good area to start taking a short position. If you're above here, also you can put your stop loss at the top here once you short it from here, okay? So I hope this makes sense right there. So that's the plan, what we can see right now. If it starts coming down from here and the VIX is going up, then also we can take a short. It doesn't have to reach here. It may be like this only. Okay, it may be going like this, but in this area, it's very, very close. I don't recommend taking any buy. I think sell position is coming very soon. Okay? So there's watch out, guys. There are a lot of companies are announcing their revenue. Okay, so for Q3, and that's gonna push the prices a little bit higher as the company is beating expectation. But never forget, always big investors take profit. Okay, and this take profit taking, what's gonna send it down? Okay, not the revenue from the company, because majority of the revenues are actually bullish and positive and beating expectations. Okay, so companies still making profit and making good, nice profits, especially the giant tech companies are still in profit. So what's going to bring it down is the risk off in the market, which is coming very soon when the VIX hit around the 1450 or 15 level, and that's going to bring the Nasdaq down. Yeah, I hope this makes sense. Do you trade long term or a day trader? We do the analysis in the 4-hour time frame. So basically, it's between the intraday and the swing trade, not too long. Okay. Buy or sell. We discussed this one. Okay. I hope this guys makes sense. Okay, guys. So the Bitcoin is 62 right now, but this trend is actually getting exhausted. Why is it getting exhausted? If the color is a problem, guys, please let me know. I'm just, trying to use something clear. Basically, you see this high right here, this move, okay? Then down. This is not very clear. Okay. Then look at this high right here. This is significant high. Then the correction is just, taking a small amount of time. Then a significant high. Then correction actually just time consuming. Then a nice significant high here. Okay, then we go into the time consume. This is a total market cap. We are 2.52. We did break above this 2.39, which is very good, very nice. So the market cap in the crypto overall is just still bullish. Breaking below the 2.4, so you're right here. Look at this. That was a resistance, right? The price did go up and come to retest it. Became a support. So actually, to say the stock market, the cryptocurrency market may have another bearish movement, then we need to break below this one. But the problem is with the crypto guys, look at this, what they do, they take you by surprise. See, it takes forever to go up, but it takes a few days to come back down. We can have another correction down here, guys, after such a big move right here. Look at this, all this big move actually didn't have any strong correction. See all this? So what we can happen, we can have a correction to the downside here. How much this could be? This could be between 38 to 50, exactly at this line. Okay, so the market cap could fall again to 2.25, and that's healthy. Okay, so we may get this fall in the market cap. What does this mean is you're gonna find all the cryptocurrencies are coming down as a correction, then go up. Especially this, if this happened with the VIX actually going up. Okay, so basically what we can see in the crypto world is a correction coming soon within this week or next week. Watch out, usually they like to do it around the 20th to 25th of the month. and also if it comes to Sunday. So guys, watch out. If I'm in any position here, I would take profit here, wait a correction, and get in again. Okay, but that's the scenario. That's the total market cap, guys, for all the crypto. This is total exclude Bitcoin. So right now 1.34. Okay, so if you take the other one, which is 2.52 minus 1.34, you get the Bitcoin market cap. Okay. So what I'm saying, this we've had this previous analysis right here. It did come back a little bit lower, but it did go back again to the same level. So guys, if you pay attention to this analysis right here, in reality, yes, it did come down to test this area again multiple times, but it did reach almost exactly the same line right here. See that? Okay. So I hope this makes sense. Okay. What I can see here, this is going up here in this area, possibly within a few days, and we're gonna have a sharp fall to 1.2. So basically about 200 billion can go in from the stock market, from the crypto market, excluding Bitcoin, very soon. Just a sharp fall here, we can have this happen soon. Okay, especially if the VIX come down. Okay, let's remove this. What's the bullish scenario? This is the bearish scenario. What's the bullish scenario? We may have a beautiful ABCD. This comes to 38, and this may extend all the way up here. %, right there. Then this goes to 1 point. Then this goes to 1.52 as a market cap. Okay, if this scenario will happen, then we're gonna see all the crypto continue to be bullish, and going stronger out. But what I can see actually happening is we're coming down first, right here, to test this area, and possibly actually here. Then from here we go up to this level. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for joining us today. My pleasure and the team's pleasure. And thank you and have a great day. Mr. Alush is asking about the channel. You can check the streams. Okay, we have made a video explain this channel. Okay, so just come to the profile and go to